My name is Paul Payne from South Church Jewellers, and I'm the laser enthusiast. I'm here to educate other jewellers on the importance of having a laser in their workshop as opposed just to a torch. So the laser is irreplaceable. What about that one? I love it. I think it's a great machine. I think for the money it's perfect because it's the ideal step up from Dado to the next machine, which is affordable to most people, most jewellers. But it has the interface of the big machines at a lower price. So it's ideal, it's perfect. It's the machine that the industry needed.